Edge testing a 1955 Cadillac Headlight Switch with the fog light option. Serial number MLA 4416 _ YSAC NUCRL. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, tail and fog light operation. Front parking lights off. Test number 4, dash lights low to high operation. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground demonstration. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Using a fully charged battery for the run-up test, we're going to be boosting the battery with the battery charger. Right now we're showing 13.12. We picked up a little bit of. Now we're showing about, with the boost we're showing about 13.18. First position, tail and parking light operation. Indication of the front parking, tail lights, and dash lights, which we're going to set the dash lights to low. And for this test, we're going to monitor the rheostat temperature. We have a fixed gauge. We also have a digital probe. So we're going to monitor the rheostat temperature through the whole test. Back to first position, lights off, first position, front parking, tail lights, front fog lights are off and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, we have front parking, tail, dash lights. Second position, front parking lights are off, headlights are on, dash lights remain on. Back to first position, headlights off, front parking lights on, tail lights remain on and off. Test number 3, tail and fog light operation. First position, switch has the fog light option. It's only available in first position. We're going to shuttle between the parking lights and the fog lights. You see the front fog lights are on, parking lights are off. The option is only available for either parking or fog in first position. Going to second position, we see that the option is not available with the headlights on. Back to first position, fog lights off, front parking lights are on and off. Test number 4, dash lights low to high. First position, using the rheostat, we're going to rotate the switch to the high position. That's mid-range. And we're showing about 96 degrees Fahrenheit. The full bright. Back to mid-range. 2 off. Second position. Headlights are on. Rotating rheostat to mid-range. The full on. Back to mid-range. Back to first position. And off. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. Delco Remy used an onboard circuit breaker on the switch body to protect the vehicle wiring in the event of a short. In the event of a short, thermostatic element would expand, and we're going to show the circuit is broken due to the expansion of the bimetallic spring. Circuit is closed. Headlight position, second position. Contacts open, protecting the switch and the vehicle wiring, and closed, completing the circuit. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12-volt test light, we see we have continuity back to the battery through the switch chassis. I'm going to probe each terminal, see if we have continuity to ground. Dash lights, no continuity. Back to the battery terminal, no continuity. Headlights, no continuity. Dash feed, no continuity. Parking lights, no continuity. Fog light feed, no continuity. Fog lights, no continuity. Parking light, no continuity. We only have continuity to the switch chassis. If the switch body was shorted to ground, it would show up in this test. We see that the switch terminals are insulated from ground. We only have continuity to the switch chassis.